Hello and welcome to today's May 4th stimulus update. If you're a subscribed member of my channel, hey, welcome back. And if you're not, please consider subscribing so I can keep you up to date and share other smart money tips with you. Okay, so in the last two videos, I talked about my frustrations with Congress. And many of you have asked, is President Trump against more stimulus? Or if a stimulus plan was brought to his office, would he reject the bill? So I want to go through that. People in the comments section have mentioned that he has publicly said that he is against stimulus. And so I just want to go through a recent interview that he did that may shed some light on things, and then just share some thoughts throughout. I don't think that President Trump is against more stimulus. I think he just wants Congress to do their job. This is Congress's area of influence, not the president. So I think he wants them to get back to work, which they are now, and to put together a package for him to approve. It's not his job to come up with that. And he has been urging them to come back early, but they decided, hey, you know what? We're going to be on break while America goes broke. So thanks, Congress. But okay, so what he's looking for is a bipartisan, friendly stimulus that he can get behind. So he wants both sides of Congress to come together on an issue and make a decision so that they can move forward. And Congress is now back in session officially. He has said publicly many times that his focus is on defeating the virus, reopening the economy, and job creation. He wants to go gangbusters creating jobs as soon as this thing reopens. On a recent interview, President Trump said he feels stuck between a rock and a hard place. Here's what he means. On the one hand, he believes that this is an actual virus that is killing people. On the other hand, he knows that people are at home dying financially. And so he's in this balance. On an interview from about 10 days ago, he said, "Do you know how hard it was to close down the most successful, thriving economy the world has ever seen? I know that that was a hard decision for him. Whether he made the right decision or not, history will tell. But that's where he is sitting right now, according to this interview." The president said he plans to open just as soon as it feels safe. I don't think that they are waiting necessarily for a cure, just for the numbers to look good enough to reopen. But he's going to leave reopening the economy to each individual state. The reason being is some states are a hot spot, while others have seen very little corona situation. Vice President Pence has indicated a few times that he would like to see the economy start thriving and growing by early summer. So, I mean, that could be as soon as 30 days. That's what early summer is in my mind. During President Trump's interview, he was asked, "What if I haven't received my stimulus, or I've been let go but haven't been able to get on this unemployment? What am I supposed to do?" The president said emphatically, "More help is coming." So I believe that he is softening to the idea, and he's seeing now that the American people did not receive enough money based on this new extended time frame. I've said in other videos that the 1200 was originally to have us home for 14 days. It's now dragged out longer than anyone expected, including the president. This was more likely a reference to Congress needing to get back in, right? That money is coming just as soon as Congress comes in and does their job. Now, in the interview, President Trump leaned heavily on job creation, especially in the area of infrastructure. Now, this is right out of a playbook of how they successfully got the economy jump-started and going again after the Great Depression. The federal government stepped in and created millions of jobs, rebuilding roads, bridges, railroads, buildings, overpasses, waterways, sewer systems, on and on and on, airports. So not only did this strengthen the country, but it got people working and making money again. I believe they are looking to fall back on something that has already worked in the past for the American people. Again, it appears the president is letting Congress do what they do so that he can focus on what he does best in his mind, which is job creation. Another way he plans to help with job creation is to lower the payroll tax. This would give employers additional money to start hiring right away, and President Trump is hoping that this lowered payroll tax will carry through 2021. Congress is finally back in session, starting to discuss the different stimulus packages that have been presented to them. I will continue to bring you updates each day as there is an update to share. I don't want to just update for update's sake. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like so that YouTube will share it with others, and feel free to share on Facebook and other social media platforms. If you want to see what my family and I did this weekend and see one of the most incredible, unique places on planet Earth, check out my Words of Encouragement video from Saturday, and you'll see just the most incredible nature scenery. I don't know if you noticed, but I did get a haircut today. And yes, this hair is real. And no, it is not dyed. You can probably see the silver right through here. So just happen to have a nice head of hair, and it's been dark my whole life. I appreciate you guys being a member of my money community and allowing me to be a part of your life. As it is May 4th, I have to say, may the 4th be with you. I'll see you on the next video.